You ever have one of those days where you throw a rock and accidentally rewrite your entire timeline? Yeah, me too. Get the hell out of here, you stupid mutt. Whoa. What the Okay, pause. Before I get executed for existing, let's rewind to 1687. Meet the Shogun. He runs Japan, but he has the brain of a golden retriever. I have no male heir. My lineage is doomed. What should I do? Bruh, your karma is absolutely trash. You must have squashed some serious bugs in your past life. Ha ha ha! I'm the king of ants! But since you were born in the year of Duangs, you just help Duangs. Easy peasy. Duangs? I love Duangs. Everyone, we are making them gods. And just like that, the entire country was screwed. Holy shit, what the hell is this place? You filthy piece of shit! You dare take a life! I'll destroy your bloodline! Are you a dumb fuck? Do you want to die before lunch? Bro, chill out, I just swatted a bug. Read the addict, idiot. You can't touch anything breathing. I think even trees breathe. So don't touch them. There you go, honey. Just like that.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on.
Show respect to the nobility, you tall freak. Look at that goofy ass dog, bro. You have been blessed. Eventually, the shogun died from choking on a dog treat he wanted to try, and the rules were instantly cancelled. Take that, you little bastard! Oh come on, not a... Holy shit! I'm sorry, O-Inu-Sama, please don't kill me. Oh shit, here we go again. Until then, subscribe and like, and see you next one.